Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie and welcome to my channel. Today it's color testing day. I wanted to avoid using the gold color but did wanted this painting to shine. So the color I'll be using are dark cobalt violet hue by Pebeo, iridescent neon pink by Loft, Prussian blue by Amsterdam, and iridescent green blue by Pebeo. And trust me, the result is just amazing. I definitely need to work with this color combo again. I also took the time to practice my finger swipe and my embellishment. I am inviting you to subscribe to my channel to follow my art journey and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Now it's time for me to let you enjoy this video and watch this new painting come to life. Thank you for being here and see you in the next video.